Take a break with teachersub.com. Quality video lessons ready when you need them.
Hello, my cursive crew, and welcome back to Master Cursive with Colors, the brightest way to learn cursive writing. I'm Miss Jackie, and thrilled to help you loopity-doopity through some of our cursive letters today. In this lesson, you will learn how to connect the letters I, J, and T. This is exciting stuff. This is where the magic happens. This is the getting down to brass tacks, the nitty-gritty. Remember that cursive letters connect like holding hands, and that connection is what makes cursive so special and smooth. Before we can start, we need the supplies for today's lesson. You will need one dark, chunky marker, but you can choose a thin one. I'm just going to be using blue, and you can use any color that you'd like. You also need page 16 from your Master Cursive with Colors workbook. If you can gather these supplies, go get them now and pause the video. I will wait here until you get back. Next stop on the Learning Express is connecting I, J, and T. All aboard, and here we go. Here I have supplies for today. Page 16 and a big chunky dark marker. I'll be using red today. So let's start with the directions and putting our name on this paper. So we will do this together. And I'm going to put my name at the very top of the paper. Please put your name at the very top of your paper. And then the directions say to copy the samples, and then we will write them a certain amount of times. I see here it looks like we have 3 times for each set. So there is only one number to write today. So our focus is to copy the sample and then write these 3 times connected together. It's very exciting when we learn to connect our letters together. So now I'd like to move on to an I do, where we talk a little bit about how to connect these letters. So you look and listen like an owl. And here I have made the 3 letters of I, J, and T to show you how they connect. Remember, I has a ramp up and a ramp down, and it makes its connector, but its connector will actually be the ramp up of the letter J. And then J's connecting tail will just begin the letter T. That goes higher than all of them and comes down to the baseline. And after we make all of the body of it, then we go back and dot and dot and cross. We do not stop at the end of one letter. When these letters are connected, we wait till we write the whole chunk of word, and then we pick up and finish the letter later. Excuse me. All right, I think you are ready to watch Miss Jackie connect I to J, and then I will ask you to do it. So here I have my marker. I'm going to place it where it starts, and watch how I connect both of them together. I'll ramp up for I come down, I ramp right back up for J, I come straight down, and I curve. I didn't dot the I, not until both are done. Then I pick up and I dot them. Do you understand? I think you do. So let's move on to a we do. Please take your marker, tilt your paper in the proper way for you to tilt it, and let's move on. Ready? Let's do the tracer together. And we're going to ramp up, ramp down, ramp up into the J, go down, turn left, and make the connector. Now pick up and finish later with 2 dots. Excellent. Let's go to the very first try, and we will ramp up to the midline, ramp down, make its connector right up into J, which will go straight down, turn left, and make its tail. Now I pick up, and notice that it looks almost like a Y, but there are 2 separate letters, and we know that because now we're going to finish them later, and you can see the 2 separate ones. All right, let's do one more together, and then I'll ask you to do the last one. Are you ready? Ramp up, ramp down, ramp right into the J, go down, turn left, make its tail, pick up, dot your J, dot your I. Nice. Please do the last one on your own. Well done. Now I look at all of my letters, and you know the drill. We're going to look for our best combination. And I really think that my first one is my best one. Which one was your best one? Please put a check over it. Okay. I'm now ready to show you how I will connect into T. And here I will put my marker where I starts. I will not dot or cross until all of my body of each letter is finished. And I'm going to ramp up, ramp down, ramp up to the top line, back down to the baseline. And now I pick up, I dot, I cross. Please work with me on a we do. Let's do it together. We're going to ramp up, ramp down, go to the top line and pull back down and make a connector. Pick up, dot your I, cross your T. Good job. Here we go. Ready? All on our own. Ramp up to the midline, ramp down, pull away, and that connector goes right into the T, pushing all the way up to the top line. Then I come back down and pull away before the baseline. And look at that shape. It really doesn't look like an I and a T until we finish them later. And now it does. This actually is a word, the word it. Let's write the word it again. Let's ramp up, ramp down, ramp all the way up, ramp down. Connector, pick up, dot, cross. Excellent. Please do the last one, all on your own. And when you're done, pick your very best one. Let's move on to the next row. This has 3 letters connecting. I will show you how that happens. And remember, the longer the row of letters connected, the more you will have to slide your hand as you go, which is a challenge. So I'm going to tilt my paper and watch as I form. I ramp up, ramp down, ramp right into the J, up, then down with a tail, come through the connector and right up to the very top line, ramp down and pick up. And now I have to dot, dot, and cross to finish later. Please do that with me. And we're going to ramp up, ramp down, ramp up to the J, ramp down for its tail, ramp right up to the top line for the T, and come down with a connector and dot, dot, and cross. Let's try it together. Here we go. Ramp up, ramp down, ramp up, ramp straight down, turn left for the tail, ramp right up and down with a connector. And look at this strange shape. It doesn't look like the letters until we go and finish each later letter. Well done. We have one more to do together. Ramp up, ramp down, ramp up, go below the baseline, tail straight up to the top line, and then dot the I, dot the J, and cross the T. Well done. Now please finish the last one on your own. And then choose your best one. And we're ready to move on to T, I, J. Same letters, we just mix them up. I would like you to watch me connect these together, and then I'd ask you to join me. So for T, I'm going to go straight ramp up, ramp down to the I only goes midway, and to the J only midway, down below the baseline, and turn left. I pick up, I cross, I dot, I dot. Please do that with me. Ready? Place your marker on the copy sample and ramp all the way to the top line, back down, pull away, ramp up, back down, pull away, ramp up, go down below the baseline, turn left, pick up, cross, dot, dot. Very exciting. Here we go for the T-I-J together. T all the way up. Pull back down, pull away, and your connector goes right into the ramp up for the I that comes ramping down and ramping up right into the J. And we turn left, and then I cross, dot, and dot. Let's do one more together. Tall T, ramp up, ramp down, ramp up, short for an I, ramp down, ramp up, come below the baseline, make a tail, pick up my pen to finish the T, the I, and the J. Well done. Okay, you are all on your own for the very last one. Keep going. I'm very proud of you. How did you do? Don't forget to pick your very best one. Nice work today. Congratulations, Cursive Connectors. You gave it your all and it really shows. Today we practiced our letters with swirly curly connections in everyday writing size. Keep practicing by copying more pages from today's lesson and working on your own until each connection feels just right. Remember, practice makes magic. And once you learn something, it is yours forever, like a secret superpower. So keep writing, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time for more cursive fun. See you soon.